Hey everybody, it's Ron with Ron's Computer Videos. We're kind of breaking format tonight because I need to talk to you about something kind of important. And I hear some of you already that, oh, well, there's more important things going on right now. And I would absolutely agree. We have friends that are part of our little vintage and retro computing family that are scared right now. They're concerned about their safety and their future. So what I'm getting ready to talk to you about is nowhere near as important as that, but it is something important because it affects your friends and it affects your hobby and it affects you directly if you're someone who exists inside that space. And that problem is brinksmanship and how tariffs affect almost everything that happens inside this hobby. And I hear you. There's some people that are like, well, I don't want to talk about politics. This is supposed to be my hobby. This is where I escape from all that. And I hear you, but the reality is that politics affect everything from your cereal box to the ballot box. So the idea that you can somehow exist outside of the political climate that affects your hobby is a major disconnect from reality. So please just hang out for a few minutes. Bear with me. I'm going to get to a point. And the point is that right now, you have a number of friends that make their livings off of vintage computing items. It might be something as simple as t-shirts, or it might be something that is like a PCB design, or things along those lines. Or they might just be somebody that doesn't necessarily create those things, but produces video content or produces blog posts or produces things where they derive their income based off that little ecosystem. So if on a whim you decide that those items are immediately going to cost 100% more to bring them into the United States, that is going to directly affect those people. And if you are someone that is a consumer of those items, be it the actual item like a PCB or like a 3D printed product or something, or someone that just watches someone that reviews or repairs or works with those items, you're affected too. I was just out on social media today and I saw yet another post from someone in our hobby, someone that I thought we were both friends with, say that after hundreds and hundreds of hours of development on this new product, this new thing that was going to fill a niche in our little hobby, won't happen now. And it's just a matter of simple economics. If you can't produce it at a price the consumers are willing to buy it for, you don't make it. You can't make it. And if you can't make the things that keeps your business afloat, your business goes away. So what are the no politics in my hobby people telling our friends that rely on this income to live? I've come to realize over the last few years that there are many people out there that don't seem to think something is real unless it's happening to them directly. And I am here to tell you right now that these tariffs, that this policy is going to affect you and this hobby. And if you want to see this hobby continue, you are going to need to recognize that it does affect you. And you need to get mad and you need to act. Here at the bottom of the screen is how you can find out who your representative is in Congress. This will take you to a page that has a phone number, it has email address. What I'm asking you to do is to do the thing you should always do, and that's be polite, but be firm, and let them know how this is affecting you, how it is affecting your hobby, how it's affecting your friends, and that you should encourage them to have the courage to speak up against these things that are hurting your fellow hobbyists. If you want to see the hobby continue, we all need to be on the same page about this. And while you're on the phone, if there's other things that have you concerned, raise those concerns too. Be civil, but be firm. I want to thank you for spending a few minutes here with me this evening. I know that this was probably not what you were expecting to see when I uploaded the video, but I think it's important enough that we need to have a real conversation. So, thank you very much and good night.